Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step just how easy it is to add the Instafeed app to your Shopify website. So that way, some of your most recent Instagram posts will actually publish to your website. So as always, we're going to jump right into my computer and I'm going to go over that with you right now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do when you log into your Shopify admin onto your homepage is over on the left-hand side, you want to open up the Shopify App Store by clicking on Apps. So then once you do that, you're going to simply search for the app that we're going to add to our Shopify website, which is Instafeed. That's Instafeed, Instafeed. And then just like always, your Shopify App Store will pull up all of the apps that you searched for and a bunch of different options. So I'm going to show you the one that I always use and that I suggest using. So once it loads, the one that I suggest using is this one on the left-hand side that has the little green box, and it says Instafeed-Instagram feed. So we're going to click on this app to add it to the website. And then we're just going to click install. And then we're going to click install app up here on the right-hand side, just like you would any other Shopify app. Okay, so now you've got the Instafeed app added to your Shopify website. So the next thing you want to do is connect your Instagram account. Now, before we move forward, I want to give you a little tip. Go ahead and pull up Instagram.com on your computer and log into the Instagram account that you want your Shopify website to connect with. So if you have multiple Instagram accounts, I would suggest logging out of any that you're already logged in and log into the account that you want to connect with your website. So for example, I have a personal Instagram page and I have a business Instagram page. Well, I obviously want my business Instagram page to connect with my website, so I logged into my business Instagram on my desktop, and now I'm going to click this little black button right here in the middle of the screen that says connect with Instagram. So once you do that, and once you're already logged into your Instagram account, the Instafeed app will ask you if it's okay to connect with this account. So you just want to double check everything and then give Instafeed all the permissions. So the first permission that it's going to ask for is this one, and you're just going to click on this blue box that says allow. And then once you click allow and you have accepted all of the permissions, now the Instagram account is connected to your website. But we're not done yet because we want to set it up and make sure it looks all pretty and make sure that it's also on the home page so people can see what you've just done. So down here, when you scroll down, you'll notice where it says feed title. So you can either leave this empty if you don't want a title, like if you just want some of your posts to publish. However, I would personally like a title, so I'm just going to do follow us on Instagram, exclamation point. So follow us on Instagram. Post spacing, I want to add some spacing because I don't want my posts to, be on top of each other. I'm going to do medium. And then on post click, so open pop-up or show product. I want them to go to Instagram. So I want them to follow us on Instagram, right? So if they click on a post because they like it and they might want to see it or they might want to read it, well, I want it to take them to Instagram. You can either make it do nothing. So if somebody were to click on your post, it does nothing. I don't really suggest doing that though, because you want to have some kind of user interaction. Or you could just do open pop-up / show product. So that just opens up the image that they're clicking on so they can see it. Another one too is the layout. So your grids is a square 1-on-1. You could do grid tiles, which is 916. So this is basically like showing you the layout of what your post would look like. I am going to make it do grid squares 1-to-1 ratio just because I think that is the best, and personally for me. Configuration, I'm also going to do manual. And then number of rows, I only want one row just across my page. and I'll leave the 4 columns. So you can just play around with the rows, play around with the columns as well, and you can adjust that. And then what I'm going to do now is click Save Feed. And then over here, you'll notice how I have different changes. So on mobile and on desktop, this is what my feed is going to look like when I add it to the home page of my Shopify store. So now I've got the app connected. I've connected the Instagram account that I want to this app. I have set up my Instagram post to look the way I want it to, but now I want to make sure that it's been added to my home page so everyone can see my pretty publishings. So how we're going to do that is you are going to come over on the left-hand side and you're going to click on Online Store. And then you're going to come over here on the right-hand side and you're going to click on Customize. So that way your theme customizer will open up and you can customize where you want to add the Instafeed app to your home page. So then once you get the theme customizer open, on the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down and you're going to notice this little icon that says Instafeed app. So if I go ahead and I just scroll down to the bottom of my home page where it says that my app is located, let me exit out of the pop-up, you will see there it is. So my 4 most recent publishings from Instagram and the follow us on Instagram, I've set up the layout. It looks exactly how I just set it up in the app. So if you wanted to move it, you would just like any other theme customizer section, you would just hover over the Instafeed app and the little hand will hover over these little dots and you just click and then drag it wherever you want to put it, but personally I like it where it was towards the bottom, and so I'm just going to leave that one right there. So as always too, you want to make sure that you click save, otherwise your changes will not be saved. But that is how you add the Instafeed app to your Shopify website, how you connect it to your Instagram account, and then that's also how you add your Instagram post to your homepage. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're into learning different things about Shopify, you want to know about different apps to add to your website, email marketing, or even just like business things in general, then consider subscribing to the channel. Alrighty, I will see you in the next video, and as always, just let me know if you've got any questions or if you want to learn something new down in the comments below.